Thunderstorms, heavy rain and strong winds are expected across 6 states as well as in Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya until 6 p.m. today. According to Malaysian Meteorological Department MetMalaysia, as of 2:50 p.m, the affected states include Perlis, Kedah, Penang, Selangor, Negri, Sembilan and Melaka. In Perak, the warning covers Kerian, Larut, Matang and Selama, Hulu Perak, Kuala Kangsar, Manjung, Perak Tengah, Bagan Datuk, Hilir Perak, Batang Padang and Muallim. Kelantan's Tanah Merah, Kuala Krai and Gua Musang as well as Pahang's Jerantut, Bentong, Maran, Kuantan and Pekan are also at risk. In Johor, the affected districts include Tangkak, Muar, Batu Pahat, Kluang, Pontian, Kulai and Johor Baru. Sarawak's warning covers Kuching, Samarahan, Sri Aman, Betong, Sarike, Sibu, Mukah, Kapit, Bintulu, Miri and Limbang. Sabah's interior districts of Sipitang, Tenom, Kuala Penyu, Beaufort and Keningau, along with West Coast areas including Papua, Putatan and Penampang are also impacted.